Lucy, and today we're going to be reading Pipsie, Nature Detective, Turtle Trouble. Look, Alfred, I'm drawing hummingbirds and dragonflies and daisies. I'm drawing a picture of my peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Pipsie and Alfred Z. Turtle sat in Pipsie's treehouse drawing all the things they saw in the park that morning. Then Pipsie noticed Alfred was doing something he never did. Alfred, why are you drawing with your left foot? Pipsie asked. You're right-footed. Alfred showed her his right foot. It was grassy and it had a big bump. Pipsie touched his foot. It's sticky, she cried, and it hurts too. Alfred, something bit you. Let's go to the park and find out what it was. But first, you need to take a bath. You have a terrible case of the smellies. Maybe that has something to do with your bite. Baths? Yuck. At the park, Pipsie and Alfred began to look for their clues to their bumpy, sticky, stinky mystery. After all, Pipsie was a nature detective. Wow, an ant parade, Pipsie said, and they're all carrying food. Did you know that an ant's most important job is to feed everybody in the nest? My most important job is to feed me. There is nothing sticky here, Alfred, said Pipsie, and nothing stinky. Oh, there's nothing sticky here, Alfred, Pipsie said, and nothing stinky. So I don't think an ant bit your foot. Do you hear that buzzing, Alfred? I heard buzzing this morning too. That's definitely a clue. Mosquitoes buzz and they bite. Maybe a mosquito bit you. Pipsie knew where there were lots of mosquitoes down at the lake. So that's where she and Alfred went next. Mosquitoes need water to hatch their eggs, said Pipsie. This is a big lake, and that there means there are a gazillion eggs here, and a gazillion mosquitoes. But there's nothing sticky or stinky here, said Pipsie, and the mosquito bites are itchy, so I don't think a mosquito bit you. Then Pipsie shouted, Alfred, a snake, let's go look. A snake, let's go home. Isn't this fun, Pipsie said, pouncing on the snake, but Alfred was already on his way. Don't worry, this snake doesn't bite. Pipsie noticed that Alfred was staring up in the trees. Looks like you found a clue. She ran over to him. Above them hanged a yellow and black spider that dangled from her beautiful web. I stopped to say hello to this spider this morning. Said Pipsie. Spider webs are sticky, but this web is way up there, and you're way down here. no way that web made your foot sticky, and there's nothing stinky around here. Pipsie looked up at the spider with her magnifying glass. Alfred, I don't think she bit you. She's a garden spider. Garden spiders don't usually bite. This is one tricky mystery. Pipsie scratched her head. You're an itsy-bitsy spider. You're a stinky turtle. Suddenly, a stinky smell blew their way. Alfred, do you smell what I smell? Pipsie asked. You. This smell could just be the stinky clue we need. Let's make this mystery history. Pipsie and Alfred followed the smell to the apple tree. This smells like trouble to me. I played with these guys this morning, where they found some little flat bugs. Alfred showed Pipsie how he gave the bugs a ride that morning by sending the apple rolling down the hill. Roller bugs! These are stink bugs, said Pipsie. When you touch them, they let out a stink to protect themselves. The bad smells keeps everyone away. I think I might need less stinky friends. Oh, Alfred, you just touched a stink bug. I think you might need another bath, Pipsie cried. Now we know what made you stink, Pipsie said. But these stink bugs didn't bite you. And Pipsie said, and they aren't sticky, so we haven't solved the whole mystery yet. She took out her notebook and read the list of clues. Alfred, what did you touch after the bugs rolled down the hill? Pipsie asked, but Alfred didn't answer. He was chasing the apple just like he did this morning. He ran after it slowly because that's how turtles run. He followed it down the hill, around the tree, and right into the flower garden. The apple bumping into the daisies, and pollen flew up in the air. Alfred sneezed. Achoo! Yep, just like this morning. Then Alfred sneezed again, so loudly that it knocked Pipsie's notebook out of her hand. And so loudly, it woke something up above them. Something buzzy. Honeybees in a hive, Pipsie cried. Alfred, bees are dangerous. I think they stung you. Mystery solved. But wait, that hive is too high for you to reach. So how did you get sticky? Mystery not solved. Pipsie picked up her notebook. It was sticky. Look, it's honey from the hive. Your foot must have gotten sticky when you stepped in it. Some Pipsie spotted something. Quick, Alfred, run! When they were far enough away, Pipsie pointed to the grass under the hive. Look, Alfred, there was our wasp. Wasps love honey, and they buzz and sting too. You got stung by a wasp. This bumpy, sticky, stinky, buzzy, tricky mystery is finally history. That's the end. Hope you liked the book. Bye!